จัดเลยเนาะโอเค
จับเวลาก่อน
แล้วgood afternoon Professor Fujioka Professor Taro Professor Ponkyao and it's very pleasure for us today to have the great opportunity to show our project in front of you. First let me introduce our group member here. There are me, Miss จิรพันธ์พรหมจันทร์ Mr. ตุยังกงจี Miss สินดาวงศ์พุนที่บวชฮง Mr. สมชายวงศ์จันทร์ and also Miss ปทุมวรรณศรีทองแดง Okay, let's start knowing our overall content for our presentation. You will know first the introduction, current status of waste management in Laos, the vision of modern waste management project, benefits from this project, and finally its conclusion. For the introduction, what is modern waste management? Nowadays, in modern day, waste management has been more technical and innovative to find out the best and effective method of waste management and to enhance the environmental protection. Okay, let's start knowing our country overview. We have 7.3 million population, 2,630 GDP, and we use Lao language as our formal language. The capital waste generation for Vientiane capital is 237.25 kilogram per year, while the total waste generation is 181,992.57 tons per year, or about 500 tons per day. The total amount of population in Vientiane capital is likely to increase to 800,000, but waste collection service in the service area is superficially estimated to cover around 400,000 of population. Vientiane capital is the one of the middle income city where generate solid waste about 0.7 kilogram per percent per year, and the major factor affecting amount of waste are population, standard of living, social, energy resource structure, people, diet habits as well. And also you can see the circle average. The circle น่าทำอีกได้ The circle here show you the average composition of solid waste generated in Vientiane. As you can see that the largest amount of the waste is wood or bamboo, which is covered 38.2%, all of 100%. Next. Next for Mr. Somchai.
จุดเวลาอันนั้นเน็ตเฮารูทเมื่อกี้นี้นะฮอดเฮาแล้ววันนี้
โอเค start เลย
ดับเลย
I will be present for the second part for the current status of waste management in Laos. Now, waste consumption in Laos just only in the Vientiane capital. That according to the reports, we expect that will increase to 1.6 million tons by 2020, and other major provinces in Laos also will huge grow due to the increasing of the population. And the current waste collection system in Laos is not allowed to waste sorting period to the collection. And now this the percentage of the waste in Laos ตัวนี้เขาสิเว้าสามีเด้ออันเพราะว่าต้องโชว์ข้อมูลในซื่อนะ
โอเค
and the next is about the And now there is not currently waste management treasury or companies in Laos that can classify and recycle waste efficiently. And only 20% of the households in Laos are able to access waste service in the capital. And now we have around 15 company that's and we have now we have the 15 company for the waste service in Laos, but all of them now is not efficiency management for the waste collection and the recycle and waste life cycle. And here is the waste management life cycle and DVVC Laos, and we have only the collection process and transfer station and direct to the waste landfill, but we have less of the recycling repository and recycling factory, and also compost area. We now don't have much for the process, and that's why we don't have the efficiency for the waste management. Next.
Our objective is to have a good quality waste management system and modern recycling system in Laos. This results in cleaner local environments, better living conditions, healthy communities, and sustainable in social. Next. We need a full waste management system, highest quality services. We need a good collection system, needs a good quality transportation system, needs modern recycling system, and needs a good waste disposal system, such as composting, incineration of waste. And we also need sanitary landfills for waste disposals. We want a quality waste disposal system like this, which currently does not exist in Laos. Next. So now, to have modern recycling system to produce any products like the box from paper, to have a technologies for composting to make fertilizers, to have a good quality waste disposal system, and we also want to generate energies from waste, but we don't have the skills, we don't have enough technologies for make it, so we need the experts, need the technologies, and also need foreign investors to create and develop these projects. Okay.
Yes, and the benefits the investor will gain from this project include financial, non-financial, and competitive benefits. So, what is the financial benefits the investor can get from? Honestly, the investor can make money from collection fee, landfill service, so recycle waste, and other. For example, the investor can collect money from household at only $2.63 in a month for big cities such as Vientiane, Luang Prabang, Champasak, and Savanakhet province. Then the investor can make money approximately $1,548,000 and this is the collection fee only, and you can make money from another source as well. So the non-financial business such as sustainable development, environmental health issues, and reputation for the company in the region. And some of the competitive benefits that the project manager, the investor will gain is once the investor or company bring the modern technology, knowledge, and modern waste management into Laos, the company can be number one because no competitor in Laos can compete with the investor or the company. And exactly this company can be leader in modern management, waste management in the area. In conclusion, This project shows the current situation as well as the problem Laos people are facing. The modern waste management the country needs to the country needs and the gap between them that need to be closed as well as the benefits that the investor or the company will gain from the investment. And of course, I found that this project is very suitable for investor or company that need to make profit while also wanting to protect the environment because it is a profitable, sustainable project that investors should consider, and it is also a project that will bring long-term cash flow to the investors in the future. And importantly, it is encouraged from the both public and private sectors in Laos. And this is the presentation that our team has provided to you today. Finally, I hope you may become interested in our project. If you have any questions or comments, you can ask or give us a useful comment. Thank you. Yeah.
Okay.